Jason. I live in DeLand, Florida. I'm a Floridian for over 35 years, and like most Floridians, the most important appliance I have in my house has to do with my comfort level, and that's my air conditioning unit. Over 10 years ago, I gave Armstrong Air and Heating an opportunity to earn my business, and there was a lot that I liked about Armstrong, but what I was most impressed with was the quality of the installation. I mean, these guys aren't just AC technicians. I mean, they are true craftsmen, and it shows in the impeccable work that they provided my house. If you're like me and you're looking for a new AC for any reason, I would do myself a favor. I'd go online, check out all these 5-star reviews that hooked me from the get-go, and but more importantly, give them an opportunity to earn your business. They've earned my business. I'm a customer for life. I think they could do the same for you.